Hello everyone, it's Poochie. My assistant and her assistant have decided to come in and be my calming influence during this video because I'm getting frustrated that my computer keeps taking a El Dumpo on El Mio. Okay, so here's the thing. We're going to talk today about flagged account to getting an account unflagged on eBay. A lot of people say you cannot get an account unflagged on eBay. I disagree because I've actually gotten two unflagged now. Let's hear it. Yeah, thank you. Thank you. And these are my accounts, okay, that are my selling accounts. So here's one I'm going to show you, and this is a bigger account, okay? Well, it used to be. I used to get 100,000 impressions on my promoted listings a day. Then it went down. This is October of 2018. Then it went down to 75,000. Then it's down. Whoa, it took a big dump there. And then it's down to 50, 35, 25. And then, oh, right around November 1st, dun, 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 thank you, the flag. So you can see what happened after getting this account flagged for doing retail arbitrage dropshipping after eBay said, oh no, nothing's wrong with the account. Nothing's wrong with the account. They lied. So you can see here, you see this little bump? See that little bump?
That's a nice bump.
That's a little bit, it's like this big dinosaur had a baby. There's its egg, okay? And that egg is, let's go to the next slide. That egg is my new account and the new listings and the new everything, right? I thought I had another one, but I guess I lost it. Oh, wait. Maybe it's here. Okay. So here are the new impressions, okay? You remember the ones before were like 100,000? Well, here I'm really happy to have 3,500. Okay, because what was happening all the time that this account was flagged as a retail arbitrage dropshipping account, nothing. I could do them. I could set up a campaign at the top rates. Okay, the highest rates or 1% over the highest rates. It did not matter. I did not get impressions. So now I'm getting impressions. I'm getting clicks. And I'm getting items sold, finally. I just started this about 4 or 5 days ago. Okay, and you can see my clicks where they were before. I mean, I had one listing that I had on that was actually getting like a click a day or something, but you see where they are now. They're just boom, 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 boom. Straight up. Okay, and today it's early. It's only, I think, 7 o'clock or 7:30 where I am. So there's a lot of time left in the day. Now let me show you this account and what we were doing in June of last year. This is my account that SKU Grid got me banned on this account from eBay. It has never come back since then. It was due to connecting to the API in a way that SKU Grid told a lot of us to do. We did it, and eBay went, and it really pissed them off. So we got banned. We got our accounts back, a lot of us. And let me show you what this account used to do. I mean, you see this is 5,000 in sales a day, okay? 74,400 in sales, and that is with this. I wanted to show you this day. This is $8,700 in sales on this one day. Okay, and it's up 619% from the previous month. So we were absolutely on this account killing it last year in June. Then here's what happened. We got actually so busy that I had to put it on vacation for a couple days. I had to put it, actually, this $74,000 in sales, even though I had to put it on vacation for a couple days just so we could catch up with orders. It was that crazy. So then we come back and we're selling stuff, but I've pulled a lot of stuff because we were just selling too much. We couldn't keep up. So then boom. And I think this is where SKU Grid probably got banned from eBay. You can see the sales. We're absolutely killing it, right? And then boom, there's where the ban happened, right there, right around my birthday. Isn't that nice? That's special, right?
Yeah.
So,
Happy birthday.
thank you.
You're welcome.
He said, "Happy birthday. We have this middle finger we'd like to give you." Okay, so let me see if I can move on. Oh, see, it's going to shut down on me again.
Don't do it.
You need to be a calming influence.
Don't do it. Just breathe. How's your camera?
Okay.
It did it. Oh, it did it. Pause your camera. Pause your camera. Okay. Now.
We're back.
That work?
Louie and I have painted happy trees. Paint some happy trees. Happy trees. And now we're back. And here's what we're going to show you. Okay, so, Louis, are you ready to go be my assistant's assistant? Okay. So, here is where we are. I started listing, these were sales from before. I started listing 1, 2, 3, 4. Today's the 5th day. Okay? Today's the 5th day of listing, and you can see where the sales are. Okay? And you can see where the sales were before. So this is definitely an account that I have gotten unflagged. Okay? I have a manual drop shipping course that I did because people actually asked me to do it. But I will tell you here, there we go. I will tell you here, help in order to do this yourself without the course. If you want the course, join my Poochie's Pack group. I only did it because people asked me to, and it's like $49.99, and there's a lot of videos in it, and it shows you how to go through and do manual drop shipping, how to get your account unflagged, etc. So here is where we were back in January, selling a little bit, barely, maybe a couple $100 worth, selling a little bit, You can see where my sales were. I don't know if this is last year or what. I think probably last year at this time. Anyway, and here is where the sales are starting to grow. So I've gotten this account unflagged, and we are starting to make sales, and hopefully that will continue. I will keep you updated. So anyway, what I want to tell you is there's a lot of ways to get your account unflagged. Okay, the first things you need to do to get your account unflagged is you need to disconnect, and this is my opinion, okay? You need to disconnect any listing software that you have or any repricing software that you have on your account that's used specifically for drop shipping, like DSM Tool, AutoDS, Sale Freaks, anything like that. You need to disconnect it. Okay, because what you're going to do is you're going to show eBay that you've changed your evil ways from doing retail arbitrage drop shipping, and now you're going to be a good little boy or girl, and you're going to do things the way eBay wants. So, disconnect it if you don't know how. I think you go to Site Preferences, and then you go down to your, I can't remember, but disconnect all of your software. It's somewhere in Site Preferences. It's the software that you have connected to your account. Remove it all. Remove all of your drop shipping, retail arbitrage drop shipping items. You're going to want to put items on that you have in hand. Your own photos. They don't have to sell. Crappy photos is fine. Crappy descriptions is fine, as long as eBay sees that you have stuff, obviously, that is in hand and you've changed your ways. Okay, if you want more information about how to do that, then you can join the Poochie's Pack Facebook group. The link is below. You can sign up for my course if you want, but there's also a lot of free information in the group. I just don't do courses for free because I did it once and it was insane. I got a lot of private messages, huh? Yeah. And I have businesses to run too. So I can't, I can do free help, but I can't do a whole course for free because it just takes too much of my time. And all the money for this course goes where? Justin's college fund. Justin is my 13-year-old who is brilliant, and all the money from the course is going to his college fund. So it goes to a good cause. If you want to join, great. If you don't, I've just given you some hints and told you some things that you need to do to get your account unflagged. And there's more in the group, so join my Facebook group, and I hope this helped. Have a great day. Thank you. My calming influence.